How to change the wheel with motor. First, we cut off the ties that wrap the wire. Pull off the plug and take off the protection cap on the screw. On the other side as well. Then we use L handle to take off the screw on the brake. And this one. After this, the brake will be took off. Then we use wrench to take off the side screw on both sides. Do the same thing on the other side. To take the wheel off, you need to press this. Keep pressing on it and pull up the wheel. Next, we are going to change the disc and speed cassette from the old one to the new. Every components on these need to be changed to the new one. We use bike cassette removal tool to take off the speed cassette. And we put it onto the new one. Screw it back on. Tighten it. Put the gasket back first. Then the screw. Next, we take off the disc. Take off the screw first. Then we use screwdriver to take off these screws on the disc. One by one, we take all these off. Then we can take the disc off and put it onto the new one. Screw back everything. Put the gasket back first. Then the screw.